Hey everybody, we're all finished with our world map pops, our world landmarks, and now we're going to put them all together. And this is really cool because we can take all the pop-ups that we've made of world landmarks, our learning unit, and we can turn it into a gigantic interactive pop-up map that you can hang on your wall and decorate. Oh, it's so cool. So let's get started. First, what we have to do, just like all the other times, we have to download the templates. And here's a link down below. You just click on it, click, and then you download it, and you can print this all onto cardstock. And you can use any color you like, print out all the cardstock. And you know what, for this one, you're gonna need, get this, 9 pieces of cardstock. All right, you're gonna see there are 2 types of lines. There's a cutout line, and then there's a fold line. The dotted black line, that's the fold line. Scoring is what, we're just, gonna make a fold line on something. We're gonna use a ruler, we're gonna use a paper clip, and we're going to press along each one of those dotted black lines. We're just going to press along there with our paper clip. Use a big one. Use a big one, and then use your ruler to keep your aim straight, right? So we're going to do that for all the dotted lines, and then we're going to just cut out all these sheets separately, following the black solid line. So we just follow it along, cutting it out, super easy, but we just got a lot of cutting, so we have 9 pieces that we're going to be gluing together. You're going to need all your pop-ups that you've made. Let's count them up. Now, you've already built these in the previous World Landmarks pop. 1, 2, let's see, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So now, let's get to the gluing. So assembling this all, we're going to use just regular old craft glue. But we're gonna glue together all these 9 sheets. See, and it's pretty easy. It tells you which area to glue where. Let's see, we'll glue this first 2 together. We're in the upper, let's see, we're in the northwestern hemisphere over there. Now we're gonna get over to this side. We're in the more northeastern hemisphere, and you can see Europe and Russia up there. There's a little bit of Italy. All right, let's go down here. We're more in the middle. This is where the equator is going to be on this 4th sheet here. We're just going to glue. Oh, you can see, there's Alaska. Hey, Alaska, we love you. And the North America and the United States, that's where I live. Ooh, and there's Mexico. Ooh, I need to go there more often. When the pandemic is over, I'm going to visit all these places, I think. There we go, and this is the 5th sheet. You can see more of Europe. And that's where the Rome, that's Italy, where the Rome pop-up is going to be. Oh, there's Africa. Oh, I want to go to Africa so bad. I know a really amazing paper engineer in Africa, a friend of mine. Then we're going to, this is the 6th sheet, and that is more of China and Asia. And India, too. Ooh, another country I want to go visit. And now we're going to do the lower, let's see, this is the southern, let me see, southwestern hemisphere. Yeah? Does that sound right? I don't know. Maybe I got it wrong. Anyways, that's South America. Ooh, I've been to South America, a couple different countries in South America. Colombia and Ecuador. Ooh, those are great places. I want to go to Brazil, though. Ooh, that would be so cool. More of Africa, and this one, this is the 8th sheet that we're gluing. And there's Antarctica down there. Woo, I don't know if I want to go there. It's too cold. Too cold. Oh, in Australia. I need to go there. Ooh, I've only gone there in my mind. Okay, so let's glue this last one together. Look at this giant, oh my God, this poster is so huge. Do you know this poster was so huge in the making that we couldn't even shoot it all at once. It's so big. Look at this. So you're going to see on there that it tells you where to glue each one of the pops. All right. So it says glue the Grand Canyon pop here. So we're going to put a little glue on the back side. I'm just going to glue in that little square right there. Just like that. Let's glue that sucker right on there. And since we put the cover on the pop-up initially, see, you kind of have your map and the pop-ups inside. Look at this. This is so cool. Let's get the Chichen Itza pop in just below it. It's in South America. I loved making this. This is such a cool way to incorporate our pops into something big, like a project like this. So we're going to do some more projects where we make something big. Here is the Roman Colosseum pop. We're going to put it just right here. Fits inside. Just like that. That's Scandinavia. You know what I said earlier? I think I said that it was Italy. Duh, I was wrong. It's Scandinavian countries like Norway and Sweden and all those great places. The Netherlands. that pop that we just put in. Oh gosh, that's the Taj Mahal. This one here is Mount Kilimanjaro, goes right there. Ooh, that's so cool. Okay, see, the Great Wall of China goes there, Angkor Wat goes there, and the Great Barrier Reef goes there. So there we go. And this is cool. You know what you could do if you want to. Now, you can, of course, decorate this and color it and do all kinds of cool stuff. But you could also, like, if you want to draw things in, different cities in, if you want to draw animals. I used to love this map when I was a kid. Oh, here's Angkor Wat. It's going to go right here. We'll just glue it in this spot. But I used to have this map when I was a kid that showed the animals that existed in all these different places all over the world. So it was like an animal map. I love doing that. But you could do all kinds of other things. You could decorate this any way you like once you've made it. It's all up to you. It's kind of a blank slate. I've given you the structure. Now you go in there and color it and create it however you'd like to and decorate it, make it all yours. You know, it's like we're traveling the world without even getting in an airplane or a boat or however else we would get around. We're traveling around. Hey, and if you have ideas for more pop-ups, you could even put even more pop-ups that you design yourself on top of this. Look at this. Oh, I love this map. It's so cool. It's in our studio here. We look at it every day and I go, I love this project. Cool. Hey, this is Matthew Reinhart saying, I hope you enjoy. See you next time. Bye-bye.